Welcome to Adibs World. My name is Adib, Class 3, Section Polas House Children. My science wall poster is World Ecosystem, so I described World Ecosystem. This is our world. There are 29% land and 71% aquatic. There are 7 main ecosystems in our world. First, grassland, forest, desert, rainforest, marine, coral reefs, freshwater. First I described grassland. Grassland covers 31% of land in our world and over 50% of land in Africa is grassland. Now I described forest. Forest covers 30% of land in the world, but 32 million acres of forest is lost yearly, so we should be careful about its. Desert. Desert covers 33% of land and home to 13% of world population. Rainforest. Rainforest covers 6% of land in our world and produce 60% of world oxygen. So this is very important for our world ecosystem. Marine. Marine home to 25% of marine species and 92.8% of aquatic ecosystem. Marine 71% of world surface is covered by marine water. Coral reefs. Coral reefs 1% of aquatic ecosystems and home to 34% marine species. Coral reefs provide food and income of 500 million people. Freshwater. Freshwater home to 41% of marine species, but freshwater contains 0.009% of world water, so we should not waste fresh water. So we are understand that world ecosystem is a scientific approach of living organism in our world. That's all. Thank you. If you like my video,